This is one of the sash that goes into the Redwood Timberframe building, and we're looking at the inside of the hinged sash here. And I've just finished cutting all the glass. This is 1/8 inch material, and I bought sheets of glass that were 36 by 24, and then I cut each one of these independently. And now I've already placed these glazing strips. They're not tacked down yet. These little mitered strips. I don't even know if I can get anything out. Let me see if I can get one of these out of here. Whoa, those are just wedged in there with friction. These are also redwood. They're quarter by quarter, and I put a 1/4 inch round on there. Now this one looks like it'll come out. Yeah, so you can see just 1/4 by 1/4, and these just snap in here, and then after those are in, then I use some little number 18 brads, 2 per strip here, to fasten them in. Now, here's a piece of the molding, and I've already got one miter. I cut the miters on this little hand, I don't know what you would call it, but it's, I'll show you a little bit later how I do the cutting. But I've got the strips in. The framing part of these little moldings are all done on this side, but on this side I haven't done it yet. So I'll miter one end and then stick it into a location and mark with a pencil where the other miter goes. Now I'm just going to quickly go over here and cut the miter, and I know you can't see what I'm doing. I'll try to make a different video from a different direction showing how I slice these. And so I've sliced that and just fit it in there like that. And then I'll just make this is too short a piece, so I grab another new piece of molding. They're in several different lengths, and I use also, after molding them on the router table, then I slice them on the bandsaw. So if I want to make another molding in this spot, or maybe I should, well, yeah, just put it in here. So I'll just put it there and mark the location. And this little framework here has slots in it for different angles, and I'm cutting 45s, obviously. So that goes in there like that. And then I'm ready to do the shorter strips. Again, mitering one end and then marking where that miter goes. And I can see where my pencil mark is right on the saw kerf. And I can get it pretty accurately every time, so it doesn't take any shaving normally. Just push that in there and push that in there, and that's tight. Then do another one. Whew, that's a little bit tight. Is that it? Is it gonna go or not? Let me just, I said I didn't, I don't do this very often. Have to shave a little bit. But I'll use sometimes I use the chisel, but I can also just kind of shave it with the saw, maybe. Okay, so that's tight in there, and I got 3 more to go, and then this thing's ready to install in the timber frame.